What's up, bullish friends? Hope you guys are doing well out there, and I hope your funds are safe today. I just want to jump in and talk a little bit about this, the depegging of the USDC and some of the other stuff that's going on here. Now, if you're not familiar with what's happening yet, basically yesterday, the Silicon Valley Bank collapsed. Okay, it just collapsed. Now, who knows how long they knew this was coming for? Obviously, as normal human beings, we don't know, but it does look like some of the people behind the scenes knew this was coming. Due to, if you follow the Unusual Whale Twitter account, you can see some of that stuff that was brought up. I'm not going to go through all that right now. I'll link to that if you guys want to read and do some more investigative work on that. But I don't really want to jump into that in this video. But so yesterday, when the Silicon Valley Bank just collapsed, it caused all kinds of stuff to happen. First off, the entire crypto market took a big hit. And then on top of that, the USDC, mid-afternoon, just dropped. Just boom. Just you could see it on the chart here. Just, what is this? So it starts dropping right around here. Okay. So, yeah, 22. Well, it was dropping before that a little bit. But anyway, you can see how it drops on the chart. Now, it's climbed back up a little bit. It was all the way down to 87 cents, just under 88 cents, which is, that's a huge difference between the $1 point that it's supposed to stay near at all times. Well, this is just like rippled through the entire crypto market. Other stable coins have dropped, like the GUSD dropped. There was some speculation that BUSD was going to drop for a while. CZ with Binance chimed in and basically squashed that, it looks like. And then also Binance temporarily suspended the conversion of USDC to BUSD. And Coinbase did the same thing not too long after that. Okay. So Coinbase jumped in and said they're temporarily pausing USDC to USD conversions over the weekend while the banks are closed. During periods of heightened activity, conversions rely on USD transfers from the banks that clear during normal banking hours. When banks open on Monday, we plan to recommence conversions. So we'll see how all this plays out once Monday hits. I'm skeptical as to what will happen, whether they'll open back up or what's going to happen. It's just this weekend is going to be crazy to see what goes on. And also, let me show you guys something here. So the guy that is the chief administration officer of the Silicon Valley Bank was also the CFO for the Lehman Brothers Global Investment Bank. And, Bitcoin Magazine brings this up and says you have to see it to believe it. And it is almost unfreaking believable. Like, it just makes you wonder what or if any of this was planned. And we've got the Fed Now push coming, late this middle of June, I believe they're supposed to launch. I'm going to do a separate video on that at some point, but basically, if you don't know what the Fed Now program is, it's not quite a digital currency, but it's a digital way that people are going to be able to transfer funds, and it's being pushed by the Federal Reserve in the United States here. So people are speculating that is going to end up leading to the central bank digital currencies, the CBDCs. Now, that in itself is not a CBDC, but it does open the door for that to happen, which, it's my opinion, but that is going to be bad for the cryptocurrency market. So if that push ultimately takes place, and you'll see things that, in my opinion, if the coins are not, don't have utility, I think they might take a big hit when that happens. So just be on the lookout for that. I believe the last mention that this was coming out was I believe it's June. They're saying late spring, early summer. So we'll see what happens there. I will, like I said, I'll do probably a separate video talking about that because there's a lot to talk about there. But all this to say, you guys, just stay safe. Don't be doing anything crazy. Again, not financial advice. I'm just telling you, I'm not going to be moving lots of money around. I'm not going to be jumping into any coins over the weekend. until all this kind of plays out and we see where it's ultimately going. Nothing has taken such a big hit that it makes you go, man, I got to jump into this right now. Like if we jump in and we take a look at the market cap of like Bitcoin right now. Whoops, why am I don't know what's going on here, but maybe I lost connection. We'll see what happens here. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so Bitcoin, you can see in the last 7 days is down almost 10%, but in the last 24 hours actually gained 1.1%, and in the last hour has gone up 0.4%, and it's holding in there. It's still over $20,000. So Bitcoin has been holding up. Now, there could be people moving funds from their stable coins that they were holding over into Bitcoin to kind of keep the coins safe. I don't have any intel on that. I'm just saying that could be what people are doing, because I know a lot of people immediately came out and said, well, this is why you need to be holding your funds in Bitcoin because it doesn't have the big wild swings. Okay, so that's not my advice. I'm just saying that's what other people are saying on this situation. So nothing has taken such a big hit, though, to where I'm like, man, I got to jump into this immediately. I've got some more funds on the sidelines ready to go. I want to get some more DAG. I want to get some more ADS, some more JAM, some more, lots of other tokens that I'm going to plan on getting in. But I'm going to wait because ultimately I still think the market has to come down even more. It just has that bear feeling. And then you've got all the news that came the other day as well, with Biden coming out saying that they're going to tax crypto even more because of just that the mining is like taxing on the grid and all this stuff. And it's like, man, you just want people to leave it alone. But there's bigger things at play. These people are not that stupid. They are using this kind of stuff right now for a power grab. So I'm not going to jump in too deep on that right now, but all I'm saying is watch your funds, don't do anything crazy, take a deep breath, and just stay safe over the weekend and don't do anything crazy with your money, okay? That's at least what I'm doing. I'm going to relax. I've got some work to do today, got some work to do tomorrow, probably going to be working on some other videos, and I'm going to get some more information out to you guys. But anyway, that's all I've got for here. Stay safe, guys. I'll have some links in the description below if you want to read some more on the banking collapse, and if you want to read some more on this topic that I'm talking about here. So I'll put some links there. You guys have a fantastic weekend. I will either see you with another video tomorrow or I'll see you on Monday. You guys have a good one. Talk to you later.